Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your liquid IV membership or subscription. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription on this platform, so how you can cancel. Basically the cancellation is very easy, and you can see there is a note on their official website if you want to cancel your membership. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to you can see over here, you need to visit on their website and you can find like there is a solution. Like you need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. This type of email you have to compose, and in the email you need to provide your subscription or membership details. And once you complete this thing, you need to send this email at info@liquid iv.com, and once they receive your email, then they will contact you. Okay, and they will guide you, they will cancel your subscription or not. Okay, so basically this is the information. And now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.